Hey, it's Julie. I know you're excited as I am. We're going to talk about IV dosage calculations, milliliters per hour, okay? The formula for milliliters per hour is the total volume divided by the total hours. The time has to be in hours, and this equals your milliliters per hour, okay? So if they tell you he wants this so much volume and he wants it to go in over this much time, you're going to put the volume up here, the hours down here, and this fraction tells you that divided by that. But you got to be able to key it in your little handy dandy calculator. So let's practice that, okay? This first one says 1,500 milliliters over 12 hours. Okay, so if they want to see your work, you got to set the problem up. You got to set up this sucker right here, the formula. And watch me. Well, I mean, please, okay? So this is number 6. It is 1,500 milliliters over 12 hours. Okay? You see how I tag what I was talking about? So if she's got any questions, the answer's here waiting on her. All right. So you're going to get your handy dandy calculator and zero it out, and you're going to do, this says 1,500 divided by 12. That's exactly how you're going to key it in your calculator. Okay, so 1,500 divided by 12 equals, look, 125. I got a cracked screen, but I'm going to trust you see that. 125, what? Milliliters per hour. Always write that on there. All right? And circle it, because you know she ain't got her glasses on. So let's do another one, okay? I want to practice this with you so that when you get the one with words, you'll be able to pick out the numbers you need. So the total milliliters is 550 over 8 hours. So we're going to set the problem up as 550 milliliters to infuse over 8 hours. Okay, get your handy dandy calculator. Clear it out. All right, and it is 550 divided by 8 equals, that is 68.7. Okay? Let's see. We're going to look back. Filling milliliters per hour. It does not say to round, but you can give 0.7 milliliters, but usually you're in ICU with a micro drip chamber. So you're going to round this up. 68.7 that would round up to 69 milliliters per hour. Okay? You like that? I can tell. All right, let's do another one. Okay. Number 8 says 1,250 milliliters infusing over 12 hours. Let's set up our problem. 1,250 milliliters to infuse over 12 hours. And then, it's your handy dandy calculator. And we're going to do 1250 divided by 12 equals 104. Let's see. Y'all know I got eye condition. I'm going to recheck that. You know, you have the right to recheck your math. 1250 divided by 12. If you recheck and it's the same, you're saving lives right here. You're saving lives. So 1.04.1, it's not going to round up. So it's going to be 104 mLs per hour. Okay? Isn't it fun? It's fun. Yeah. Once you get it, you're going to be like, bring me a dosage calculation. Psh. All right. The next one, 1,500 milliliters over 24 hours. We're setting our problem up like a machine. 1,500 milliliters over 24 hours. Da, 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 da. Got our handy dandy calculator. Yes, my son watched Blue's Clues. He's 30 now. 1,500 divided by 24 equals 62.5. 62.5 milliliters. Okay, and we're on the regular old third med-surg floor. You're going to round this up. So 5 would make it 63 mLs per hour. You like it? You like it? Okay, here we go. Number 10. So we have, oh, some people freak out when they see that right there. But you're not. You're not freaking. All right. 75 milliliters over 30 minutes. Many people have different ways they do it. This is how I do it. 75 milliliters times 60 over 30 minutes, because they want to know the milliliters per hour. You have to tell the problem that we're dealing with a 60-minute hour, or else it's going to think we're dealing with a 30-minute hour. Okay? So when you set it up like this, if it is less than 60 minutes, if you'll just throw 60 up here on the top and carry out your mathematician on your calculations, you're going to get it right. You're telling the problem, hey, it's a 60-minute hour, all right? All right. And then when you're working this out, you're going to do all the math on the top, and you're going to hit equal, and then you're going to divide it by what the number on the bottom, okay? So get your handy dandy calculator. Handy dandy calculator. All right. And we're going to do 75 times 60 equals. Don't look at it. Just trust me. And then, oops. All right. Father God, look. Okay. Here we go. 75 times 60 equals. And then we're dividing that by 30. And that will flow at 100. You see that? 150 milliliters per hour. Now think about it. If I wanted to drive 75 miles in 1 hour, how fast would I go? I'd go 75. You're right. If I wanted to go 75 miles in 30 minutes, how fast would I have to go? I have to go twice as fast. And 75 times 2 is sure enough 150 milliliters per hour. Okay? All right.